In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check if iPhone is refurbished or new or replacement. So to check if your iPhone is new iPhone or a refurbished one, it is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings. So once you get to your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on General. So once you tap on General, it will bring you to this page. So what you want to do on this page, you want to tap on About at the top. So once you tap on About at the top, if you now check here, I want you to check here very well. You're going to see model number. So at the front of this model number, we have some things written at the front. This model number, if it begins with M or P, this means your iPhone is original. As you can see, mine begins with M, which means this my phone is original. To now know if your iPhone is refurbished or replaced, the first thing you are going to see is N or F. The model number is going to begin with N or F. So if the model number begins with N or F, this means the iPhone is refurbished or replaced. So guys, this is how you can actually check if your iPhone is refurbished or a new one. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.